yeah. We ain't got no time, we're dropping every day. Ain't nobody say, yo, you know we got it all, you know we got it all. Yo, what's up? Welcome back to another video on this channel. So today we're going to be making, as you can see, I've already organized everything, Daddy Andre type beat. Yeah, so let's get straight to it. Let me show you how and break it down how I made all these. So you know, I've been listening to most of Daddy Andre's hits, so I like the guitar he plays and his snare always hitting hard. Yeah, so let's get straight to it. As you have already heard the beat. So the first thing I played was this guitar. Yeah, it's just a free guitar. It's always inside every FL Studio that you get a new one. The first one was sounding like this, as you can hear. That's how it's sounding. So I decided to play with this other plugin. It's also a free plugin from Ample Guitar. You can go and download, it's free. I added it also sounding like this. So then I went and added another of the same, just hitting like this. So that one just keeps on repeating itself. Then we have number 3, which is guitar choirs from Flex. It's not Flex, it's synth, Sim synth. So it sounds like this. Yeah, it sounds like the other one from Flex too. Yeah. So then I added the bass like this. This is how the bass, it's a long one. I didn't play the same thing, so listen to it. The first bass was sounding like this. So that's how the bass sound. Then I went to hip bass. This is also free plugin. It's almost everything in this beat I use free plugin. Like, and stock plugins are free plugins. So just it sounds like this. So as you can see, I didn't want it to sound the same. That's why I didn't repeat it so much. I was playing different things all the time. So then I added this guitar also. It's also stock plugins. You can go and check it out. simple. We don't have to play too much. So then I added just a simple one for the middle. This one play one time, not always. So it sounds nice like this. Yeah, to bring that vibe. Yeah, that's how I was saying. Then now I added a jazz guitar, also stock plugin. It sounds like this. So then I went and added another ampo from the ampo world. Yeah, another ampo guitar. That one's the one I played only one time, so it sounds like this. So sweet, eh? So listen to how it is. Just a one time like that. It sounds so sweet. I feel like repeating. Listen. Yeah. So that's what I used in the first where I opened the beat from here. Yeah. So now the drums, I played it like this, the Andre type way. You know, it keeps the snare, the rim hitting. So it sounds like this. And as you can see down here, I've added these effects. Then we have plus the bass. The hip bass. To bring that Ugandan vibe on it, Andre style. Remember, you don't have to keep it repeating the same way. You always have to be playing different buttons. Let me say like that. I remember always to keep the crash going because that makes the song so active. To keep the listeners listening to the new verse the artist is bringing, new story that is in. So the whole beat plays like this.
Gabbyproscra official.
Yeah, that's how you make a Daddy Andre type beat in Uganda. Yeah, that's how you do it. So you know how it would be creating his melodic lyrics, lyrics that don't expire. Yeah, so that's how you do it. Thank you for watching. Make sure you share to anybody you feel like needs to see you on the next video. Like, comment, subscribe. Yep, that's how you do it.